This is a recording created on an iPad of following the link from the website to the TestFlight service, which is Apple's service for testing apps that are not yet in the App Store. So they want you to be able to do it safely. They give you a prompt to download the TestFlight app. So we're going to download and open that. And once we press on the open button, we will get TestFlight. We'll say, yes, it's okay to send me notifications. Yes, I understand what I'm here for. And there's an invite to install Toastmost. So I'm going to click on the install button. And now I get the Toastmost app that I can open. A little message here about what I would like people to test. And that will be updated as new versions come out. So I go in to start testing. And here's a spot where I can put in the website address and a code. But if I don't have the code yet, I can just put in my email address. And anybody can do this with the demo.toastmost.org site, because even if you don't have any kind of website password set up, it will basically create an account for you. So this is going to send an email. I'll go back to my email program and come in and look at the message here. And it gives me the code here, but I find it's a little bit tricky to copy and paste on a mobile device. So I'm going to follow that link to the code and instructions page. And so now we're going to get a web page that has the code I needed in here. It's actually a combination of the web domain and the code. If I just click on that field, it'll automatically copy it to my clipboard. So that makes it a little bit easier to get that code in. So now I have to go back to the app, and I'm going to paste that in the first field. And on a mobile device, usually it's press and hold. It can be a little bit tricky, but if you press and hold on a blank, you should get a little prompt to paste. You click on paste, and it's going to paste in that code. It was actually a combination of the domain and code, but it breaks it up. It lets me click add, and now I'm adding my account on demo.toastmost.org to the app. It'll remember me. I won't have to go through this routine next time. And if I click on the plus sign next to Grammarian, I'm signed up for Grammarian on the agenda.